Your HP DeskJet 3752 has been sitting quietly on your desk, refusing to print, and you're running out of patience. Before you start thinking about the replacement options, let me show you 3 things that will almost certainly fix this. We're going to clear out any stuck jobs, make sure your printer is configured correctly, and update your software to the latest version. If you need more help, call the numbers on your screen. Otherwise, stick with me and let's resolve this.
Before we start this step, we request you to join our YouTube channel and support us. You can be a part of our growing family where millions come together to learn, solve problems, and stay up to date.
Method 1. Clear print jobs and restart your system. Open Settings on your computer and navigate to Bluetooth and Devices to access your hardware options. Click on the Printers and Scanners, then find and select your HP DeskJet 3752 from the list. Click on the Open Print queue to see what jobs are waiting to print. Click the 3-dot menu at the top, choose Cancel All, and confirm by clicking Yes to remove every pending job. Turn off your entire computer completely, then wait a few seconds and restart it. This gives your system a fresh start. If clearing the queue didn't get your HP DeskJet 3752 printing again, let's make sure it's properly configured as your default printer. Method 2. Assign your printer as default. Click on the Start button on your computer to open the main menu. Type Printers and Scanners in the search bar and open that settings page. Scroll down and look for Let Windows manage my default printer if it's toggled on. Turn it off so you can choose manually. Scroll back up, locate your HP DeskJet 3752 in the printer list and click on it. Click More Devices and Printer Settings to access additional printer configuration options. In the Devices and Printers window that opens, right-click on your HP printer and select Set as Default Printer. Test your printer now by sending a print job. If it's still not working, the driver might need an update. If you're finding solutions helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more printer tutorials. Method 3. Update your printer driver. Click the Start button, type Devices Manager in the search box and launch it. Find and expand the Print Queues section to reveal all your connected printers. Spot your HP DeskJet 3752, right-click on it and select Update Driver from the context menu. Click Search automatically for drivers and let Windows locate and install the most current driver versions for your printer.
If you like our content, give us a like, and if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.